guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Get a Snack at 4 a.m. What was that? Anyways, I already got these things, so I'm gonna beat it the short way. Maybe I'll beat it, maybe I'll not. I don't know. I think there's gonna be spoilers ahead for you guys. I'm trying to get the ones I didn't get. So yeah. I'm gonna try and get as much cash as I might need. What's this? The orb disappears in your hands. Okay. Need this money. Load me in. I want that money. I wish I could edit very good, but I don't have. But my laptop, yeah, not what's happening to it. I'll buy it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this right over there, and I'm gonna get the egg. Hopefully the egg isn't really that expensive. I don't know if I already have the breakfast ending. Okay, so this is where the drink goes. Okay, so I'm gonna get the egg. Where's the egg? You know what? I'ma just eat breakfast and like get a snack at 4 a.m. Yeah, you know what? Cut that idea of like finishing the game and in the end. I'm eating breakfast, baby. To get more money. Where are the other money? Oh wait, it's in the bathroom. Go get that in the bathroom. Okay. Oh wait, it's just right here. I want the money in the bathroom though. Okay. Dad, are you fine? Doesn't look fine. Okay. Why is Dad sleeping in the bathtub? Why is he? Okay, so I'm about egg. It was kind of expensive, but you know I can buy it now. Okay, so here I go. I'm gonna eat this egg. Yum 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 yum. That was good. Yeah, got a decent breakfast ending.